But one thing I could say about it, it doesn't have that crunchy, crimped, yucky feel to it. That could be a hit or miss because not everybody wants, that can be a hit or miss because not everybody wants to have to do like the extra to get that freaking kink up out of the hair. But you're not getting that with Myfirstwigs, so that's a plus. It's definitely not requiring a whole lot of work. And I think that's what I'm so used to with Yaki textures. I'm always blow drying, pressing it out, like trying to manipulate it so much. And I feel like this time I didn't really have to do that. So maybe that's kind of why I'm looking at it like, what's wrong with you? She's not stiff. It's cute though.